In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue in Microsoft Teams that shows an unknown user or display name instead of your or your colleagues' names. This is a common problem, and fortunately, it can usually be resolved quickly. Just follow these steps and you'll be back on track in no time. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, we need to completely close Microsoft Teams. To do this, look at the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You might see the Microsoft Teams icon right there, but if you don't, it could be hidden. Click on the small arrow that shows hidden icons. Once you locate the Teams icon, right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Quit. This step is essential because it ensures the app is fully closed and not just minimized, allowing us to make the necessary changes effectively. Next, we're going to access the app settings. Go ahead and press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the search bar. Type in Apps and Features, and then click on the result that appears in the list. This takes you to the Settings window where you can manage your applications. Now, scroll through the list of installed applications until you find Microsoft Teams. This is where we will proceed to fix the issue. Once you find Microsoft Teams, click on it to reveal a submenu. In this submenu, look for the option labeled Advanced Options, and click on that link. This will bring up additional settings specifically related to Microsoft Teams. You'll notice a section further down the page titled Reset. At this point, we're ready to reset the application. Scroll down until you see that Reset section and click on the Reset button. A confirmation prompt will pop up, asking you if you're sure you want to reset the application. Click Reset again to finalize the process. Keep in mind that this action clears any corrupted cache files that may be causing those naming issues, but it typically does not delete your chat history. Finally, it's time to sign back into Microsoft Teams. Reopen the application from your desktop or the Start menu, whichever you prefer. Once Teams is open, sign back into your account using your standard login credentials. After a moment, you should see that your display name and the names of your colleagues now sync correctly. That's it. You've successfully fixed the problem of Microsoft Teams showing unknown users or display names. By following these steps, you've cleared any potential glitches in the app and refreshed its connection to your account details. If you face any other issues in the future, remember these steps can be a great troubleshooting process as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more